Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be testing the four-wheeler for the first time. I was able to install all of the electronics. As you can see, it's still a big mess, but I was able to get the throttle and the starter. I got a battery for it, so I'll be able to start it. And then the steering motor is gonna work off of the battery. It's right there. And yeah, it's the first time testing it, so let's try it out. So right now I'm using LiPo batteries to power the electronics, and then another LiPo battery to power on the receiver. Later on I'll probably change that to get power from the motor or from the quad battery, but for now let's try it out right there. We got steering control. Nice, very nice. It has a lot of power. I think we need more space though. Let's go take it out for a spin. Alright, so I was able to get the four-wheeler to run. It's working great. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm using the controller to control it. There's still some minor details that I need to work on, but for now I think it's pretty good. The next step is to add an FPV system so I could drive it long range. But yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.